Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your exam CBSE are just around the corner, and if you are CBSE students, you know how important it is to stay organized and efficient with your preparation. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Notebook LM. Right, it's a very actually great platform. So you can log in. Like, okay, this is the first time. If you're logging, there may be not uh, like this. Okay, so you can create one, right? So you have to add sources. So there is an option, choose file. So if you have PDF books or anything, you can upload from here. Okay, and Google Drive link also, right? YouTube video and your text, if you have, then you can paste it here also. So this is very interesting. So now go back and you can see that this is a CBSE PE class 12, okay, physical education. So mm, uh, NCRT books I also, you can also add here. Okay, and first thing you always do, right? So you have to go to the CBSE official website, and then you need to download first your curriculum, right, your syllabus. So from here, like academic elective subject physical education, so come this here. Here you can see this is a your syllabus, right? So you need to understand all the actually concept of all topic, right? It's very important. If you want to get full marks, it's very important. So you have actually short time, so you can use it measure, like, okay, so first, okay, there is also need, you have to need source, right? So after that you can go, there is a, for physical education, so there is a handbook section, right? So handbook section you can go back, okay, 2 years back, and there is a 11 and as well as 12 exam books, right? So you can download here, and after that you can upload there. Otherwise you can use another way. You can copy the link from here, and after that go to here and add source, like here, yes, website, and you can add, like, okay, paste here, and it will automatically add. Okay, so I have already added, right? So now next thing, so NCRT you can add, and other like PDF form, right? PDF or documents you if you have, like some books are there, so they also give provide the scan, the barcode, so you can download from there some content also. So sample paper also. So you need to go back to your syllabus, and copy topic one by one, okay, and come back again and ask here. Okay, so very simple. Yes, now it will actually using 9 source, right? It's all actually tick mark there, so that's why. So if you untick any one document, so it will not actually, it's not the information not coming from that documents. Okay, so that, now see the big five theory. So how interesting, it's very to the point, and all the information coming from your authentic book, right? So here that you can also see that there actually, there's a mention the page number from where it's actually take AI take, right? So it's very to the point, you don't actually uh, okay, now, so this way. And so this is the one thing, concept clarification you can do very fast. If just take your syllabus and go one by one, you can understand very fast. Okay, so next thing, the practice question paper. Okay, question paper you can ask also the question, the MCQ, right? I'm giving the command, like, okay, 10 MCQ, 10 MCQ with answer. Okay, so now see what happened. It's actually taking time. Okay, all right, no problem. And so this way there is also a option, right? Save to note. So you can save you accordingly, and you can save this, and you can revise again and again. It's okay for you. Okay, so this way it's happened. Okay, now see in back. Okay, okay, 190 MCQ is really big. I just That's why it takes more time. See, all question are there. See, so you can practice these things this way also, right? And here are 190 multiple choice question with the answer. Now see, the actually from the actually is very interesting. So you can practice, okay, this way also. So isn't pretty cool, right? It's like a like having a tutor available 24/7. So mm, give these tools to a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips and tricks. Good luck with your exam, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.